Isaac's Craft Gift Studio,
and today we're going to make a
Valentine's craft.
We got this idea from this craft,
And we're going to make something similar. We printed these from the internet.
and now we're going to cut them out. I'm measuring this to the poster board and cutting it out. Now we're going to glue the paper to the poster board.
We're measuring the ribbon so we can cut it to size.
We're gluing the ribbon. We made a bow and now we're going to glue it on top. And now we're done.
I hope you like our video. I hope you like our videos.
And have a happy Valentine's Day.
Bye. I hope you like our video.
And have a happy Valentine's Day.
Bye.